Hey guys, in this video we'll learn how you can download Threads and Instagram app. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's begin. So first of all, open up your Play Store on Android or App Store on your iOS device. Now in the search bar, search for Threads. Once you're displayed the results, there will be various options about Thread apps. What you need to do is simply select the one whose logo is at the rate. Other apps that are displaying are simply different apps with the same name. Just select the preferred app and download it. And after downloading, open it up and you will be displayed this type of interface. At the bottom of your screen, your Instagram profile will be available. You can also change your username or account to sign up with. And after setting it up, you can change your bio. I'm going to skip these steps for the sake of tutorial. Then you will be asked to select an account type. It can be either personal or public. You can skip the unnecessary steps to your liking and you are done. So that's how you can download Threads and Instagram app. So that's all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.